D. This image was not made in Photoshop, and that makes a lot of designers uncomfortable. Because for the first time, creativity is no longer locked behind expensive software or years of practice. What if I told you that Photoshop is no longer required to create stunning images in 2026? No subscriptions. No steep learning curve. No, why is this layer locked? Moment at 2 in the morning, 4 years. Photoshop was the gatekeeper of creativity. Expensive, complicated, intimidating, and that feeling of I'm not creative enough was never real. Stay with me, because the tools I'm about to show you can do most of Photoshop's work in seconds. Let's start with the simplest one. Tool number 1, Canva AI. Canva AI replaces basic Photoshop work instantly. Thumbnails, social posts, clean designs. If you can type a sentence, you can create. No layers, no masks, no stress. Honestly, if Photoshop feels overwhelming, Canva feels like relief. Now here's the plot twist. Tool number 2, Adobe Firefly. Yes, Adobe built a free AI tool that replaces Adobe. Firefly generates professional, photorealistic images that are safe for commercial use. This is what brands trust. This is what businesses use. No copyright drama. No complicated setup. Just type what you want, and it appears. Now things get serious. Tool number 3, Leonardo AI. This is where people pause and say, wait, this isn't Photoshop. Cinematic visuals, professional lighting, high-end concept art. Leonardo AI gives you studio-level results without studio-level skills. Warning though, this tool may cause sudden confidence in your creative abilities. Next is speed, pure speed. Tool number 4, Pixlr AI. Pixlr is built for fast edits, background removal, clean product photos. What used to take hours now takes seconds. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Fast beats fancy. Finally, tool number 5, Playground AI. This one feels like Photoshop without the weight. Erase, add, transform, experiment. Playground AI makes creativity feel fun again. And when creating becomes fun, you create more. Here's the real shift most people miss. This isn't about replacing Photoshop. It's about removing friction. Because when creating is easy, consistency becomes possible. And consistency compounds. Small efforts, repeated daily, create massive results over time. That's how modern creators win, not with perfection, but with momentum. If you understand this shift early, you're already ahead. If you're a beginner and editing is slowing you down, this kind of AI can change everything. And if you want to see exactly how I used AI to edit a full YouTube video without being an expert, watch the video on your screen now. AI edits YouTube videos automatically. I tried it as a beginner. I'll see you there.